Hi there! Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make Korean pork chops. This easy recipe is packed with so much flavor. You'll be amazed that it's ready in only 30 minutes. Lately, I've become obsessed with Asian flavors. I just love the combination of garlic, ginger, and the saltiness of soy and sesame. These pork chops have all of these flavors, plus they're quick and easy to make. So we'll start by quickly marinating them and then pan-searing them in a savory sauce. So let me show you how to make them. Okay, so the first step to make these easy Korean pork chops is to whip up a quick marinade. So as with most Asian recipes, this marinade is going to start with soy sauce. Next, we're going to add some honey. This is going to not only add sweetness to the recipe, but it's also going to help caramelize the pork chops when they're cooking. Next, we have some sesame oil. I love the flavor that sesame oil adds to this marinade, but be careful, you really don't want to go over on that because it is a very strong flavor. Next, we have some garlic chili sauce that we're going to add to the marinade. This adds an incredible amount of flavor to the recipe. We also have some ginger. I grated the fresh ginger. You want to use fresh ginger in this recipe. And I have some minced garlic. Now it's just a matter of whisking everything together. Okay, so now that our marinade is mixed up, we're going to pour it over some thinly sliced pork chops. And that's one of my favorite quick cooking tips, is to use thinly sliced meat. So whether it's chicken breast or pork chops, make sure they're nice and thin and they'll cook up really quick for you. So I have 4 pork chops here. You can easily probably get 6 out of this recipe. These guys were big and fat when I got them, but I just took a knife and sliced them right down the center and turned one big fat pork chop into 2 small. So we're going to take the marinade that we made and we're going to pour half of it over top of these pork chops and just let them hang out in a bowl for 10 minutes. And I use this 10 minutes while these pork chops are marinating to start working on my side dishes for dinner. Okay, so our pork chops have been marinating for about 10 minutes in that super flavorful sauce. My whole kitchen smells like it. It's incredible. So now we're going to pan sear them quickly. And this is the fastest part of the recipe. It only takes a few minutes to get these pork chops done. It's been about 6 minutes. And I flipped the pork chops. You can see how that honey has caramelized on the edges of the pork chops. It adds such a nice deep color. Now we're also going to add in the rest of our marinade. So our pork is done. It's looking done to me. I'm just going to test it with a meat thermometer. Our pork is done. Let's serve it up. So there you have it, a quick and easy 30-minute Korean pork chops that are bursting with flavor. Your family won't believe you had them ready in 30 minutes. Let's give them a try. They are perfect, perfectly tender, not overcooked, so much flavor. I could taste the garlic and the soy and the little bit of sweetness from the honey and the sweet chili sauce. You guys need to make this recipe. It is great. Thanks for watching. You can get the full instructions in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing, and check out all the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.